Good afternoon. This is Dr. Wires on the 30th of April 2009 here in Dr. Wires' lair. And I'm here to talk to you about screens. Screens, S-C-R-E-E-N-S. Screens. For example, you're looking at Dr. Wires on a screen, and Dr. Wires is looking, as it were, through a screen to you, to be connected to you. So screens, you see, are these things that come between us and yet connect us very well. Screens are everywhere. They can be flat surfaces, they can be tiny little post-it notes, they can be things you scribble on your hand, they can be the face and the person in front of you. It's a kind of screen. And of course, there's a proliferation of screens, you see. We have this kind of a screen, and this kind of a screen, and this kind of screen. This is a piece of paper, yes, it's a pad, yes, you see, but this is kind of a screen. And this is some material. You see, I have material here. So I want to talk about two screens first, Dr. Wires, two screens. This screen is a blank piece of paper, which is meant by Dr. Wires being metaphorical. It's only a kind of sort of example, if you will, of what I might want you to think about now as I write on this blank sheet of paper. Think of it as if it's your mind. And your mind has things in it. Well, not really things, of course. They're ideas, they're concepts, they're interconnections of previous experiences which create nucleations and a certain kind of, figuration into a solid thing that you call an idea or a concept or a teapot, or indeed a person, such as Dr. Wires or Dr. Wires' bow tie or his glasses or something. But you see, all of these interconnections are what's going on in your brain. And think of a first screen that you want to be aware of when you're thinking about hardware, software, services, so on. Dr. Wires suggests you think of the first screen as being the screen of your mind, which represents you, which is who you are and what you want and what you're looking for and what you wish to do next and who you wish to be and where you wish to go and so on. Do you get the point? This is you. And the other screen is material, it's stuff, it's what's on the television, it's what's on your iPhone, it's what's on your telephone keypad as you're reading it and writing it and so on, and typing at the same time as thinking and walking and talking and chewing gum at the same time and so on. This is just a set of screens, you see. And the screen that is you and the screen that is material are different. And there are many possible material screens, but there's only one possible you. So if you choose to do something, to have a certain idea, to create a concept and what you're going to do in this catalogue, for example, I'm going to read the catalogue, I'm going to do something, I'm going to buy something, I'm going to read something, or understand something. If you're doing all of these things, then you're in contention between the thing that is you, the screen that is you, and the screen that is the thing that you're using because you are you. So if you have two screens, at least make a distinction between you and everything else, please. Because only then can you use your time gracefully and with intention and with balance and with connectedness. The connectedness between who you are and the material that you wish to interact with to be yourself. It's kind of a dance, you see. It's a dance of screens. Things are going like this all the time, and some of it's you and some of it's that other person's screen. Some of it's material and some of it's calculated. Some of it's mechanical and electronical and so on. But you see, it all comes back to the one screen. Dr. Wires signing off.